Hi everyone, what's up? Happy Saturday. So today I am going to OFI clinic, which is only for you. Sounds good, right? So this is a laser clinic and they are specialized in skin, body and hair. And I told you guys that I am facing a lot of acne issues and I think probably I'm going to get my skin checked. So let's move in. Finally we're in the lift. It's pretty hot, but I had to wear my mask on. And let's see what the clinic has to offer. I'm really looking forward to it, to see the doctor and get my skin checked. I think it was long due and absolutely necessary. Alright guys, so we are here. This is the clinic. Looks pretty good to me. And today I'm going to show you everything that happens in the procedure because I'm super excited and scared because this is the first time I'm coming to a laser clinic. But let's get inside. Finally, I am in the clinic and it was super hot outside, but they gave me my favorite apple juice. So meanwhile, I wait for the doctor here. I think I'm gonna enjoy my company.
Hi Bhumika, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm totally good. What are the concerns for your face?
Recently, I'm facing a lot of face acne. I have few patches on my skin which are, I think, prone to acne. So I'm here for your suggestion.
Okay, since when you're facing this problem?
It's been 6-8 months.
6-8 months. So Bhumika, may I know your lifestyle, how it is going? What all products you're using on your skin?
Alright, lifestyle is, I think it should be okay. I get up in the morning, my work hours are 10 to 7. I go to the gym and I sleep at around 2, have my dinner at 9 p.m. I'm using a face wash, serum and my sunscreen. So these are the 3 products that I use on a daily basis.
Okay. So what about your diets? How your diet is going on?
So I'm avoiding junk food and fried food as I'm taking a diet. It consists of vegetables, dal, sabzi, normal Indian food.
So normal balanced diet you're consuming?
Yeah.
Okay. Any change in your makeup products, or there is a time where you have to put makeup for a long period of time?
Once in a while for a long period of time, only during festivals or something, but these days I'm off makeup. I'm not putting it a lot on my skin.
Are you following all the steps which includes cleansing, toning and moisturizing in your
Yes, I do. Yes.
You do?
Yeah.
And what about your traveling, like it's frequently or you are at home right now?
These days I'm at home. It's like I travel once in 3 months or something.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's fine. So, Bhumika will be discussing about the treatments, what we follow over here. Basically, you need a therapy where we use AHA and BHA like medifacials, as you need hydration and some depigmentation treatment is required for skin.
Okay.
So, with the treatment, I'll explain you the routines, what all products you have to go through, follow it.
I just had the consultation with the doctor and now we are heading towards the treatment. According to her, my skin is a bit dry and it needs lots of AHA, BHA, and we are going to do a Medicare treatment. So let's see, and I'm excited for this to happen. got my medical treatment done. It was an amazing experience. My skin looks a lot better to me at this moment, though my hair looked messy, but it was an absolutely must-try experience. We've been through so many processes. After the consultation with the doctor, it was helpful. I get an insight about what's wrong and what I can improve and do right for my skin. And we've been through ozone treatment, cleansing, cooling, dermaplaning, and all sorts of things. Now we're going to wait for 2 or 3 days to observe how the results comes out to be. And later on, depending on your skin type, you can definitely plan more sittings. But it was an absolutely amazing experience with OFI, and I think you guys should definitely give it a try. Of course, your skin deserves pampering. So yeah.